Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to factory reset a locked Samsung phone without a password. 4 ways are tested here. Way 1: reset a locked Samsung phone with Android Password Genius. Firstly, go to iSunshare official website and view Android Password Genius. Click Download to download the program. Then install it on your Windows computer. Now launch Android Password Genius. Connect the phone to your computer. Click Install on the home screen. Then follow the install wizard to finish the installation. OK, now click Unlock Screen Lock. Then you should pay attention to the warning text carefully. Click Start. Your device is detected here. Click Start. Then follow the steps to put your phone into recovery mode. After that, click Next on the software screen. Oh, you need to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset option on the phone with volume down button. Then press the power button to confirm. OK, choose Reboot System now. Then the screen lock is in removing. Oh, I did it. Great. Way 2: factory reset a Samsung phone that is locked via Find My Mobile. If you meet these 3 conditions, you can go ahead. Just go to Samsung Account Sign-In website on any browser. Then sign into your account. Oh, you need to finish the 2-step verification before login. Go to your account and click Devices. Click Find My Mobile. You need to sign in again. Agree on all the policies. Your Samsung phone details are here. Click Unlock. Click Unlock on the pop-out box. Enter the password to verify it's you. Well, your phone is in the unlocking process. The phone is unlocked now. Way 3. Perform a reset on Samsung phone via Google Find My Device. Just head to Google official website in any web browser. Sign in first. See, Samsung Galaxy S8 is listed here. Click Erase Device. Click Erase Device again. Log into the page with your Google account again. Oh, you need to do the verification. Click Erase to permanently erase the phone. See, the phone is in erasing process. Well done, the phone turns back on. Way 4. Force Samsung phone to factory reset via buttons. Now power off the Android phone. Press the volume up, home, and power keys for a few seconds. Release the power key when you feel the phone begins vibrating, and keep pressing another 2 keys. OK, select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option and confirm with the power keys. Select Yes and press the power key. Now your phone restarts with no screen lock. Well, that's all. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumb up and subscribe.